Hi, it's Angeline here. It's time for another Christmas holiday card, and today I'm going to show you how to create this snowy background using some Holtz Distress Resist Spray. So for this stamp, I colored this awesome kit called the Christmas Magic by Unity stamp. And before I spray anything onto my card, I'm just going to mask off that chart. All you need to do is just stamp on some scrap piece of paper and you've got your mask. So I'm grabbing an old box to spray the Distress Resist Spray onto my card. Make sure you do this because you don't want to get on any surface that you have, because this spray will stick to everything and everything. So to get bigger droplets, just stick the dropper out of the bottle and just drop it on your card. Once everything is dry, it's time to ink up your background. Here I'm using the Distress Oxide inks. I'm just playing with some colors here to create a fun, colorful background for my card. You could use any color combinations that you like as well. Once you're happy with all the colors, it's time to peel off that mask carefully, and ta-da! Here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique today, and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!